Speaking Strategies for the TOEFL IBT, Video 3, by Bruce Stirling. Hi, my name is Bruce Stirling. In this video, you will learn how to develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 3 using the argument map G, 3-tick, C. Before we start, please remember, this is an integrated video course. What you learn in one video will be applied to the next. For maximum learning benefit, please view the videos sequentially. Let's begin. As you know, there are 6 speaking tasks. In this video, we will focus on Task 3. Task 3 is an integrated task. This task measures your ability to integrate 3 skills: reading, listening, and speaking. The reading is a short announcement describing a new school policy. The listening is a student dialogue on the same topic as the reading. When you speak, you must summarize both the reading and the student dialogue and show how they topically integrate. This task is scored out of 4 total points. You can develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 3 using the argument map G, 3-tick, C. On test day, follow these strategies, step by step. Step 1. Make a note map. As you listen to the task instructions, make a note map. Divide a piece of paper into 3 sections. Put reading at the top, man on the left, and woman on the right. Under man and woman, write G, 3-tick, C. To save time on test day, simply write O for opinion, 1, 2, 3 for reasons, and C for conclusion. My note map is now complete. Next is Step 2, Reading. When the task instructions end, the reading will appear on your screen. The reading will be a school announcement. The announcement will be about a new school policy. The reading will be short, about 100 words. Please remember, on test day, you will have 45 seconds to read the announcement. When the reading time is finished, the reading will leave your screen. The reading will not return. Therefore, you must take notes. Next, let's talk about reading and note-taking strategies. When you read the announcement, remember the purpose of the reading task. The purpose of this task is to summarize the announcement. When you summarize, you are identifying the main ideas. The main ideas are the reasons for the announcement. State the reasons for the announcement using cause and effect. Please remember, avoid details when summarizing. Keep your reading summary short. You should be able to summarize the announcement in 3 sentences. If you try to summarize the entire announcement, you will run out of time when speaking. Next, look at a sample announcement. Pause here to read it. When summarizing the announcement, first identify the main ideas by eliminating details. Next, identify the cause and effect reasoning in the main ideas. Pause here to read the reading summary so far. Next, on your note map under Reading, note the cause and effect reasoning of the main ideas in the announcement. Pause here to read the note map so far. The reading summary is now complete. When the reading ends, the listening will begin. The listening is Step 3. The listening is a short dialogue between 2 students, a man and a woman, as indicated on my note map. The 2 students are discussing the school announcement, in this case, the new organic food policy. One student will support the new policy or be pro, while the other student will be against the new policy or con. On test day, please remember, The man might be con and the woman might be pro the new policy in the announcement, or vice versa. As you can see, the student dialogue is a verbal pro-con argument. Each argument is in fact a verbal independent essay, as you will see in the following tape script. This is the student dialogue tape script for our example. As you read it, note how each student argument is a verbal independent essay expressing an opinion supported by reasons. Pause here to read the tape script. As you can see from the tape script, the man supports the new organic food policy while the woman argues against it. Next, let's talk about listening and note-taking strategies. As you listen to the student dialogue, remember the purpose of this task. The purpose is to summarize both arguments. When you summarize both arguments, identify each opinion and the supporting reasons. State the reasons using cause and effect. Do so on your note map as you listen to the dialogue. Please remember, because each student argument is a verbal independent essay, each argument can be mapped out using G, 3-tick, C. As you listen to the student dialogue, listen for this three-part structure in each student argument. As you listen, summarize the three-part structure of both arguments using your note map as a guide. Next, look at the finished note map with notes for both student arguments mapped out. Note how the opinions and the conclusions repeat. Note also how each supporting reason is expressed using cause and effect. Pause here to read the listening notes for the dialogue. My note map is now complete. Pause here to read it. When the listening ends, the prompt will appear on your screen. On test day, you will get one of two prompt types, the woman's prompt or the man's prompt. Pause here to read the two prompt types. Please remember, on test day, you will not know which student argument to summarize until you read the prompt. That is why you must take notes for both student arguments. For this example, we will answer the woman's prompt. Pause here to read it. On test day, make sure you read the prompt carefully. For this exercise, summarize the woman's argument. Do not summarize the man's argument. Do not give your opinion. This brings us to step 5, preparing to speak. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response. Because you have very little time to prepare, follow these steps. Divide your response into 3 sections, starting with context. The context is a general statement in which you introduce the main topic in one sentence. Next is the reading summary. This summary is based on your note map. Next is the woman's summary. This summary is also based on your note map. Pause here to read the 3 sections. Next is speaking. You will have 60 seconds to follow your note map and deliver your response. It might seem impossible to squeeze all this information into 60 seconds. However, it is not. The key is to manage your time. Manage your time by following this chart. For the context and the reading summary, speak for 15 seconds. For the woman's summary, speak for 45 seconds. Pause here to read the response. As you can see, G3-tick-C quickly and effectively maps out a short 3-part verbal summary that integrates the reading and the listening. The speaking raters are trained to listen for this integrated 3-part structure. give it to them using G, 3-tick, C. Using G, 3-tick, C, you will know what to say, how to say it, where to say it, when to say it, and why for maximum scoring on test day. Okay, so that's it for Speaking Strategies Video 3. In the next video, Speaking Strategies Video 4, you will continue to recycle strategies as you learn how to develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 4 using the argument map G, 3-tick, C. If you want more information about the topics in this video or want to practice what you've learned, please see my books. Practice tests for the TOEFL IBT, Speaking and Writing Strategies for the TOEFL IBT, Scoring Strategies for the TOEFL IBT, a complete guide. If you have any questions, please contact me, Bruce Stirling, TOEFL Pro at facebook.com. Thanks for watching.